Airspeed is alive. Oh, that's smooth. Alright, come to course 223. One 4,500. Go for approach, Cherokee 98203, good morning.
Cherokee 98203, go for approach, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. 98203 is headed to Patterson, KPTN, and I'm looking for flight following. I'm a PA-28.
November 9er 8203, squawk 2, correction 0240.
0240, and I'm 2,400 for 4,500.
Roger. Jedi 67, take request. Number 203, you said you're going to Papa Tango Sierra, is that correct?
Papa Tango November via the PTN VOR.
Roger. November 98203, squawk 4536, that'll get you flat following all the way.
4536, 98203.
November 9er 8203, contact New Orleans, approach 133.15, good day.
Target New Orleans approach 13315, 98203. New Orleans approach, Cherokee 98203, checking in 4,500.
November 98203, New Orleans approach, clear through the Bravo airspace, New Orleans International, altimeter 29906.
Alright, clear into Bravo, 29906, 98203. There is Lake Pontchartrain. Causeway. We're over the top of Slidell.
Delta 1970, traffic no fine. Thank you.
A lot of moisture in the air, so it's hard to see distance.
Any lower for Delta 1970? November 203, change to my frequency 124.3.
124.3, 98203. 98203 is with you, 4,500.
West of the Patterson Airport, cleared to the Ellington Field Airport as fog. I'll maintain 8,000, verify leaving 2,300.
Airfare pass through 2,300, cleared as filed, up to 8,000, 35 pounds.
New Orleans approach, Cherokee 98203.
Cherokee 203, no.
Yeah, I'd like to go ahead and cancel flight following, field in sight.
Cherokee 203, roger. There's a King Air 90 south of you, also inbound. I think he's got your BD. He is a little bit further from the airport. Radar service terminated, squawk VFR, and change advisor frequency approved.
Squawk VFR, change to advisory, thank you for your help, 98203.
H50 uniform Sierra, Nautilus departure, radar contact, good morning, climb and maintain 15,000, turn left at 300.
Patterson traffic, Cherokee 98203 is 14 to the northeast, inbound for landing full stop. Patterson.
Patterson Air traffic, King Air 790 Alpha, 7 miles to the east, landing Patterson. Any other traffic Patterson area, please advise.
Yes, sir. I'm an ag cat, 100 feet and below, ag spray work, off the southwest end of the runway.
The west, northwest. All right.
Patterson traffic, Cherokee 98203 is 9.6 to the southeast, or northeast, inbound for landing.
What runway you plan on?
I'm looking at 24, I think I see on ADSB.
Okay, we'll take 242 then.
King Air traffic, I can slow down a little bit, you're going to be a little faster than me anyway. What's your distance from the airport?
90 Alpha's on a, say 3 mile left base for 2.
Alright, I'm still looking for you. 98203 has King Air in sight.
Patterson Air traffic, King Air 790 Alpha's on a 2 mile final, 24 Patterson.
Ag cat 099 has a King Air in sight.
Traffic, King Air 90 Alpha is on a short final, 24 Patterson.
Patterson traffic, Cherokee 98203 is 4 miles to the 4 miles short final. Patterson. 98203 has AgCat traffic in sight.
099, thank you.